Hey everybody, welcome back to my FastAPI tutorial. So far, we created user and post related API. But we don't create any comment system for our blog. In this part, we're gonna add API, we're gonna add comment system for our blog. Okay, what API will create or update in this section? We add creating comment of post API that it will create comment for a specific post, and another API that we should update in this part is that getting a specific post. We had created API that by entering a specific primary key or ID of that post, we get a specific post body and title. In this part, we're gonna add comments for this API that we can get a comment by that post by entering a specific primary key or ID. Okay. For creating a model field of comment, we create 6 different fields, such as name, email, body is active, created date, and post ID. Name is the name of somebody that created that comment. Email is the email of somebody created this comment, and body is that comment or body of that comment somebody created. Is active is boolean field that admin can active or disactive that comment. Created date is date that writer create that comment, and post ID, this is ID, this is related post ID for our comment. Okay, let's go and create that comment system. Before starting this part, I remember that you can find file of this part from my FastAPI tutorial repository. You can follow me mkfast in GitHub for more related file of my channel. And okay, please subscribe my channel, and let's go ahead and creating model. Okay, we add comment model and we talk about equals to comments. Remember that you can put every other name for comments table. We add ID that it has as integer, and it used as primary key. Other thing is created date related to date that this comment created. Is dates time field, and we want to create if we don't created it. Another thing is active, that it is a boolean field that admin can change to true or false. It is a string column, and other thing is name of. Somebody created that comment. It is a string column. And another thing is related email for that body. It is email type. If you don't know how to create email type, you can follow my tutorial 3 in this part. Okay, go ahead. Another field is body of our comment, that it is string column. Another thing is post ID, for that it is ID for related post. This column integer. It is foreign key. If you don't know about foreign key, you can search in my playlist. You can find relationship part I think part 05, and show that it is post dot id. Post is post table name, and id is id field of my post table. Okay, another thing, we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different fields that we talked about in the previous part. Another thing is post related relationship, that is equal to relationship. Again, if you don't know about relationship, you can follow my playlist, I think 05 part. Now go ahead. It is relationship between post table from this and with back populated I think back populated equals to something such as related post or post. We should add relationship in our post, something like we create post, let's change it to post comment, and add it as a relationship comment, and back populated is equal to post related in our comment system. Okay, now we create our comment with 7 different column. Okay, that's fine. Okay, in this section we're gonna add new revision for our Alembic and upgrade my Alembic database. Okay, first we activate our virtual environment. Okay, after that we create new revision for our Alembic revision -n, create comment system. Okay, wait, it should add, okay, it add new revision create comment system. Okay, take a pattern from create post revision, replace it with comments table name, and in the comment table we also have ID that it is unique and it used as primary key. Replace title by something like name. We also have email, that it is email field. We can use it as string for simplicity. We also have body and owner ID. Replace it with, take a look at our model, post ID. Replace it with post ID. We also have is active and then created date 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 field. It's correct. Okay, now upgrade our revision Alembic, upgrade head. Okay, that's fine. Okay, SCMS file has validator, but in this episode I don't want to change or add any validator for our comment, but in the next episode we will properly talk about validator and Pythonic and SCMS file, and in the next part, in the next episode we will add validator for our comment. Okay. Now we'll go to CRUD and add create comment CRUD. Okay, database, we get database from session, and we need post ID, I think, as integer, name as string, body as string, email as string. We can get email as a string in this episode. And now we have 1 2 3 4 is active, is another field that we don't need for creating comment. And let's see our comment model. ID, created date is active, name, email, body, and post ID. We need name, email, body, and post ID for creating comment. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 field. In 1, 2, 3, 4. That's correct. Okay. Database comment. We create database comment by getting comment from model file. Now name is equal to name, post ID equal to post ID, and body equal to body, and email equal to email. Okay, now we create new comment by this part. Then we add it to our database. Database comments. Committed, and refresh our database. Now we return database comment. We also can return a specific field, such as we can return only body of comment, or only name and body of comment, but for simplicity in this episode we return database comment. Okay, now we create new CRUD for creating comment. That's fine. Okay, now we're in main.py file, and we want to add create comment API and update post detail API. Okay, let's go. First we add create comment API is post API that it is something like post ID. It has post ID and comments. Okay, we define create comment function. Name equal to name. Name is as str, body is as str, and another thing is email as str, and post ID as integer. Then we want database as session that we get from created get database function, that we create this function in tutorial 01. You can go to tutorial 01 and see what is it. Okay, that's fine. Now we return CRUD function that it is create comment database equal to database, and post ID equal to post ID, name equal to name, and body equal to body, email equal to email. Okay, now we're gonna update post detail API. For doing this, first we get comment of all of the comment of our API. Then we create comment variable as equal to, we get our comments from database. Then we get database dot query models dot comment. Okay, then we filter our comment by comment post ID, models dot comment dot post ID. Then we get only comments of our specific post ID. Okay, then we get only active comments from database. That is equal to comment that filter models dot comment that is active equals to true. Okay, in the end we return post, we return a string that contain post and comment, active comment, active comment, active comment. Okay, that's fine. We add a create comment API and update our post detail API. That's fine. Okay, now let's try our API. For doing this, we're gonna FastAPI and run unicorn. We got an error, back populated from model relationship, SQL app model. We go to model, it is back populates, not back populated, replace it. We also replace, we need also replace is active, because is active is boolean, and for this case we add default value equals to true. Let's try it again. Go to our document. Let's try create comment API. Some post IDs such as number 2, some name such as Jack, with somebody such as hello, thank you for content, and email such as jack@gmail.com. Let's try it. That's fine. We get 200 status code. Now let's try our post detail. Try enter our post ID number 2. We got type error. Let's take a look at our post detail API Okay, we need all of our active comments. And now let's try it again. Enter number 2 and now get 200 status code. That's fine. In this part we talk about a comment system for our blog, and we create create comment API, and also we update post detail API. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please like my videos. Please subscribe my channel, MK Fast. And also, if you have any question, you can comment it in our comment. We'll come back soon.